Hi, here's Mark and Hillary, and I'm Eva. We're still on the road to Hana in wonderful Maui, Hawaii. And look at the crashing of the waves on the black lava rocks. I mean, this is just gorgeous. Of course, we're not swimming here, and I don't see anyone surfing here. But this is wild nature. And this is Maui. Again, the black lava, because the Hawaiian Islands are all formed from volcanoes. Now, just you can see the look at that, the crashing of the waves, the foam, yeah, really neat. Beautiful, beautiful viewpoint. Very relaxing too. I love it. Little bit of spritzy rain. That's okay. Look at all the rocks here. Just gorgeous. Pretty. Again, this is beautiful Maui. Everyone thinks, when they think of Maui, they think of the resorts and the beaches, and of course that's important too. But the natural part of Maui is just stunning, and you see it all in the road to Hana. So come with us, Eva and Mark, when we take you on the road to Hana. Hana is the name of the place. There we go. More crashing of the waves. Call us, and this experience can be yours. Oh, look at that. And just watch the surf coming in also. Just very exciting and very thrilling. Look at that. That's beautiful. Stunning. Stunning. I could just sit here for hours. I find this so relaxing. So come again with us, Eva and Mark, and we'll bring you here. Maui, road to Hana. Enjoy.